Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to exit the safe mode on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply on the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now let's say for instance you entered safe mode and you have troubleshoot your applications and you'd like to exit. So this is pretty simple. All you have to do is simply restart your device. So to restart your phone, all you have to do is press the power button and the volume up button together to bring this power off menu, and then from here simply slide down to reboot and release and wait for your device to restart. So your device will restart back to the normal. So that's basically it on how to restart, or rather how to exit the safe mode on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.